Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to dispute charge transactions on PayPal. Now, if you have a transaction you've been charged, maybe there's an issue or maybe there's a dispute and then you already have been charged by a seller or a vendor. It's quite simple, but the thing is, this is very important. You actually want to resolve it with a vendor or seller first. Maybe you can work something out outside of PayPal, or maybe he can just give you a refund. But if not, just on the recent activity option, right? So tap on the transaction you want to dispute. So for example, we're going to do this one, the Google payment, and it's going to bring us here. Now here you're going to have some options here. If there are options that says refund, it's going to be here. But if you don't have anything, you want to tap on here. It says report a problem, like so. So here, all you need to do is get in touch with the customer service using the resolution center. There we go. So all we need to do is continue filing with PayPal over here, right? So if you tap this, so you're gonna see here some options. My seller wasn't able to help me, or I suspect unauthorized activity in my PayPal account. So tap on the seller option like so, and just go through everything and make sure you have evidence of the dispute. So you can add a screenshot, a PDF, or whatever. Click continue. It's very straightforward, and PayPal's customer service representatives will get back to you the best or the fastest they can. So after that, you'll be good to go. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.